and it's a pretty fancy trailer. I already did one video. This is video number 2 because I forgot to show people the loft. It's half loft, 6-foot vinyl patio door, sleeper sectional sofa, end table, dimmable lights, ceiling fan, nice big kitchen, PVC flooring throughout the entire trailer, main floor. Got a nice fireplace here, built-in fireplace with remote. I won't forget the loft, but it does have one. It's roughly half the size of the trailer. It's got an auxiliary air conditioner up there to keep it cooler. So you got 2 airs, the main one for the unit and one upstairs. Dishwasher, extra large stainless steel farm sink, single lever faucet with the pull out sprayer. Pretty cool, huh? 30-inch range. Convection microwave that's really cool. It's new. I'll have to show it to you when I get there. Prep area, cabinetry. The fridge is really souped up too. Check this out. So it's a touch screen convection microwave. Pretty dang cool. Pretty cool. That's the 5-burner range. Samsung double door fridge with ice maker. We'll check out the freezer first. It's got 2 drawers. One for ice, one for frozen goods. Open this up. Twin cooling. Movable fresh box. Humidity control. Room for plenty of goodies. And it takes plenty when you're camping. Here's a little surprise here. It's plumbed for a washer dryer. This is also a coat closet, but it does have the plumbing for a stackable washer dryer. And it will fit if you buy the right one. More pantry. Double door pantry. I didn't open all these doors, but trash can. Dishwasher is really cool. All the drawer guides are ball bearing full extension drawer guides. There's your suggested retail, which I don't normally show, but I'm going to show it anyway. 79 grand. Because it changes. That's why you don't show. Now people 10 years from now will say, I want that trailer for 79 grand. And I'll say, what trailer? Anyhow, here's the bedroom. Got charging stations, dual charging stations, and an outlet on both sides. Oop, forgot to close the door. It's got a lift bed, so there's storage under the bed. There's more closet rod. And there's shelving. The 6 drawers here are all full extension ball bearing drawer guides, so you can load them up. Reach my hand in here, lift up the lift bed. There is storage underneath of it. Gotta get my hand under there. Can't do it with one hand. Well, anyhow, just take my word for it. The storage under the bed. It's boring looking under the bed anyway. So here we go. Got to see the bathroom. It's a real nice bathroom. Big vanity. Storage under the sink. Plenty of room on the commode. Glass doors on the shower. Very low threshold here. It's about a 5-inch threshold, so you can get in and out easy. And it's about a 6'9" shower height. I know the walls are 7 foot in the loft, so the ceiling is 7 foot. Got a little bit of the pan there. It's a low profile shower pan. Okay, last but not least, we got to head for the loft so you get an idea what the loft looks like. Head up the stairs. Again, I'll mention it again. There's PVC flooring on the entire main floor. Bedroom included. No carpeting. But the only option is carpeting on the stairs in the loft. So you do have carpet in the stairs. You do have carpet in the loft. Got a couple closet there. I don't know if you want to call that a gaming console, but it's got a coax hookup. There's the extra air conditioner to make it nice and frosty cold up here. Nothing worse than having a bunch of hot kids or guests sleeping in your loft. They use it a lot for sleeping too. Saddle bar stools. I think that pretty well sums it up. I hope you had a good look. She's a pretty trailer. I only have one of them. First served, first come, first served. Come on down.